You're wasting your summer vacations on your phone. But someone out there is learning a skill and changing their life. The only difference? They used their time. You didn't. It's summer vacation. Most people are relaxing, scrolling, sleeping, wasting time. But not you. Because deep down, you know something. This summer is not a break. It's a chance. A chance to start. A chance to change. A chance to build something real. Somewhere right now, a boy is learning video editing on his old laptop. A girl is building her portfolio with free Canva designs. No fancy setup. No expensive tools. Just hunger. Just focus. Just belief. While others are watching Netflix, they're watching tutorials. While others are sleeping at 1 p.m., they're waking up at 6 a.m., not for school, but for their dreams. And once summer ends, these people, they won't just return to class. They'll return with skills. Skills that can earn money. Skills that build confidence. Skills that make you irreplaceable, even in the age of AI. And the best part? You don't need to be a genius. You just need to start. Start small. 1 hour a day. One free course. One skill. It's not about being perfect. It's about not wasting another summer doing nothing. This is not just time off. It's your time to get ahead. Loudspeaker, so ask yourself, what will you remember about this summer? That you binge watched 10 shows? Or that you built something that changed your life? Don't waste your summer. Don't waste your time. Because in 2025, skills are the new degree. And this summer could be the beginning of everything. Like and subscribe. LIFEACECHANNAL. Thank you to watching.